So I'm gonna choose one of this. And there's a kind of new milkshake called the small shake. Right over here, small shake. You can't see. I'm gonna show you. So we have the Shake Shack. Oh, order's ready. Order's ready. Let's show them. We have to show them. I ordered. Let's show them all over there. This is our order. You like it? Okay. First of all, my little opening the chicken bites. Chicken bites looks good, right? And the fries, as you can see. And we also opened the burger. That's the ice cream. That's the drink, whatever, I don't know. And that's the small shake. This is all of our food. So let's get eating. One of these fries. Let's take off my face mask. This looks very good. Look at it. Chocolate and vanilla. Can you see? What's in here? A burger. Mama, say hi again. This is my mom. She's fat, kind of. She can't move. She's sick. Mama. I'll give this a 7 out of 10. The fries are pretty good. No lie. They're pretty good. I like them. Next one. Next fry with ketchup. Double fries. I showed them already. Ten out of 5. Ketchup. 10 out of 8 with ketchup. Next bite with ketchup. Next one, the last one. 10 out of 10. This one. Look, 18 minutes so far.
70块，谁吃啊？他说鲜包卖70新币。
You wanna buy it, Mama?
Benji, he doesn't want it. He wants